The large-scale growth and rapid evaluation of requirements in industrial IoT demands a cloud-inspired infrastructure closer to the end devices with real-time, scalable, safe and secure capabilities. And so comes the concept of fog computing. Our client is the pioneer of fog computing. This fog computing platform brings distributed resources at the edge with cloud-like management and real-time capabilities. Basically, it bridges the gap between the end devices and the cloud infrastructure. Platform brings real-time aware virtualization, distributed analytics, centralized fleet management, secure app hosting, multi-tenancy and role-based access control with a single point of data aggregation from production floor to cloud applications. Our engagement with the client was started around 3 years back with the POC, where the requirement was the development of test tool in Python that would auto-generate test cases for their Swagger-based REST APIs. Later, we developed CLI-based SDK to manage the customer assets and provide easy development of their applications, and then provisioning and then deployment of the customer applications on the edge devices to achieve communication and real-time data analysis with the robots and other IoT enabled devices. We also worked on development of various APIs for application hosting, RBAC, data streams and many more. As A4 is known for its 360-degree services, this engagement is not only limited to backend development, but rather we also work on UI UX design and development, manual and automation testing, build and release management, and DevOps. We provide complete test coverage for this edge computing platform. We do functional, regression, performance, security, longevity, acceptance testing, and many more. We even develop robust API and UX automation frameworks and automated thousands of test cases and integrated in CI/CD for daily unit runs. We also developed web application for this platform. With our build and release management process, we create and deploy software releases on AWS, Azure and on-prem servers. One of the biggest milestones that we achieved is by migrating the UI from AngularJS to Angular 7. It offers substantial benefits like improved user interface, higher security, seamless maintenance, and it overall improves the application performance and the operating speed. Also comes the development of alarm and monitoring daemon, cluster management for high availability, libraries to manage long-running tasks, internationalization, localization, and many more. And for sure, we celebrate our achievements and the success of release with wonderful team outings. Started with just 2 people in the team. Right now, we grew up having 2 backend developers, 2 UI developers, 1 UX developer, 1 UX designer, 2 test engineers, and 1 build and release engineer. We do follow agile methodology with internal Scrum meetings, client calls, and daily status reports. For communication, we use Slack, we use Zoom meetings, and we also have the tools for managing our tasks like Asana and others. We use wide range of tools and technologies in our project. Python as a programming language for developing REST APIs, SDK, test automation frameworks. We also use Java for customizing Swagger code gen, RabbitMQ as a messaging broker, Twisted for asynchronous programming, Ansible for deployment and management of various applications on the target. Databases includes Mongo for REST API interaction, InfluxDB as a time series database to handle high writes, Consul for connecting services across distributed infrastructure, tools like Telegraph for data collection, Capacitor for data analysis, Grafana for data visualization, and many others. We use GitHub as the source code version control system, Gerrit for code review, Jenkins for CI/CD. We also use Bravado as a Python client and PyTest as a test tool for the development of API test framework. We use Selenium along with PyTest for the UX test automation. Coming to UI UX, we use Illustrator, InVision, Photoshop, Xcode, HTML5, SCSS, Angular 7, Material, Flexbox, JS Plum.